Hello friends, in this lecture we will see some searching algorithms. See, in our day-to-day life we may need to deal with huge amount of data. In that huge amount of data, if we want to search a particular number or value or element, that element is called as key element. Okay, so to search or to find that key element in a large amount of data, we use searching techniques. So the process of finding a particular element in the large amount of data is called as searching. There are so many number of searching techniques are there. In our syllabus there are only two searching techniques are there. One is linear search, second one is binary search. We will see first one, linear search. It is also called as sequential search, as its name itself is a sequential search. Here that key element is keep on comparing all the elements in the array one by one after the other. So this search is called as sequential search or linear search. Once that key element matches with the array element, then the search is successful, otherwise search is unsuccessful. So here one example is there. One integer array is there, a of 5, which stores 5 integer arrays, 5 integers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. It is not compulsory that we have to take these array elements in ascending order only. These elements may be in any order. Here index of 10 is a of 10, a of 0, 20 is a of 1, index of 30 is a of 2, index of 40 is a of 3, index of 50 is a of 4. So here array A contains 5 integer elements 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Their indices are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So for example, in this small 5 element array, the key element is 30. Then we have to compare that 30 with the first element 10. So 30 is not equal to 10. So then we have to move to next index, that is next number or next element of array, that is 20. We have to compare 30 with 20. 30 is not equal to 20. So then again we have to move to next index, that is a of 2, and next index value is index element is 30. 30 is equal to 30. When key element is equal to a of 2, now the search is successful. Once the search is successful, we have to tell the location or uh, position of that key element in that array. How to find out a location? It is very simple. So location will be always index plus 1. Here index of 30 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. In this array, the element 30 is present in the position third. Advantages of these linear searches: it is very simple method, and it works well for small arrays, and it is used to search when the elements are not sorted or not arranged. So disadvantages are, it is less efficient if array is large, and it is not efficient when the array is already sorted. So here one programming example is there for this linear search. Write preprocessor directives, open the main function, declare the variables a of 25 array variable which stores maximum 25 elements. If user does not want to enter all 25 elements, he may enter the elements which are less than 25 also. So to store this value, we need one more variable n, and for indexing purpose of array we need one more variable I. To store the key element we need one more variable key. and to identify the search whether it is successful or unsuccessful, we need one more variable, that is flag. If a flag is 0, search is unsuccessful. If a flag is 1, then search is successful. If a flag is 1, search is successful. If a flag is 0, search is unsuccessful. Then print enter the n number of elements. Here for example, in this example, I have entered n value as 5 and enter 5 values with the help of for loop. A of 0, A of 1, A of 2, A of 3, A of 4, 7, 2, 9, 5, 3. After entering these array elements, enter the item to be searched. It means computer asks you or program asks you to enter the key element. That is, for example, I have entered the key element as 9. After entering the key element, start your linear search. That is, for I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. Within this for loop, we start a searching method. That is, if a key is equal to a of I, key is 9 and a of I value is here 0, a of 0 is 7, 9 is equal to 7, condition is false. So flag is equal to 1 will not be executed. The control comes out of if statement, but it does not come out of for loop. Again it will go back to for loop I plus plus, I will become 1. Again condition is true. This time the key value is 9 again, which is in matched with a of I. A of I is a of 1. A of 1 element is 2. 9 is equal to 2, condition is false. So again you come out of the control comes out of the if statement, but it does not comes out of the for loop. It goes back to for loop and increments the value of I plus plus 2. This time I value is 2. See, again here 2 is less than 5, condition is true. If true, enter inside the for loop, and inside the for loop one if statement is there, that is key is equal to a of I. Key is already 9. A of I is nothing but a of 2. A of 2 is nothing but 5, sorry 9. 9 is equal to 9, condition becomes true. If it is true, then enter inside this if statement and flag is equal to 1. Earlier value of flag was 0, now it became 1. After that break is there, it means that it stops the iterations of for loop here only. Next comes out of the for loop, and if flag equal to 1, then search is successful. If search is successful, then print this statement, the percentage d position. Percentage d position is I plus 1, that is index plus 1. So here index was 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So the key element 9 is present in the third position. Okay, if flag is equal to 1, condition becomes false, then control executes item not found. Here one output is there, that is enter n value 5. Those 5 values are 15, 22, 31, 88, 55. In this array, the key element is 88 and the key element is comparing with the first element 15. Since both of them are not same, then condition becomes false, and move to next index, and the next index value was 22. 88 is not equal to 22, so again move to next element and compare 88 with 31. Again 88 is not equal to 31 and again move to next position, next index value, that is 88 is equal to 88. So 88 is found in the array. If it is found, search is successful, and if it is successful, Then what is the location or position of 88? 88 is present in a fourth location. How it is fourth? Index plus 1, 50 index is 0, 22 index is 1, 31 index is 2, 88 index is 3, 55 index is 4. So here 88 index is 3, 3 plus 1, so 4. So 88 present in fourth position. This is how linear search works. In next video we will see binary search.